Got it here, Sigma precious metal verifier. Right now it's on pure silver. The way to press it, you can select different type of metals by just going this way, silver. Then there is platinum, palladium, rhodium, copper, collaborator, gold Krugerrands, so you can do actual coins. So let's go back to silver, and I have Morgans. So let's see. That tells you pre-1900, so let's test couple Morgans. Real Morgan, 1884. I think it's been cleaned. So let's lay it down. It's real, and it tells you 1.11 ounces, thickness 2.24 millimeters. Pretty awesome, right on a green dots, as you can see. Zoom in a little bit so that way you can see. Okay, and then I have this a copy. It doesn't say anything on it. I think it actually says copy on it, so that way you know it's fake. I'm gonna put it, and it's totally off. Its weight exactly same, 2.6 millimeters, so it's much thicker than the Morgan silver dollar. So let's put another one right here. Let's verify it. 2.22 millimeters, 1.11 ounces. So yeah, that's how you can learn if Morgans are real or not. Then there is another Morgan silver dollar. Let's drop it. 2.24 millimeters, 1.11 ounces. So that's pretty cool. This is pretty advanced metal verifier. It is a really bright screen. I can reset the brightness of the screen a little bit darker. Press and okay, it's probably can see a little bit better now that it's so bright. Okay, we are 3 nice pure silver. This side now in this little case. So the weight will be a little bit off, and looks like 1 ounce weight. It's kind of in a yellow a little bit, but it is in a plastic case. Let's take it out from plastic case. Let's see what happens. Silver eagle right here. You see it tells you the thickness of the coin, it tells you the weight and all that stuff, diameter. Pretty nice. I got that here, a fake one, 2015. It's a silver on it, but I scratched it up. You can see copper in there. Let's put it in, and that's what happens. The weight is still 1 ounce. Thickness is 20.3 millimeters, so it's all red, but it kind of tells you the diameters and thickness is way off. Compared to silver eagle. And one more time. Even though it's 1 ounce, the thickness and diameter is very different. I'm gonna put the eagle on. 2.3 millimeters and 40 millimeters. And now this fake one again. 9 millimeters and 20. I don't know, I guess a little bit different stuff. Okay, let's do this side here inside the case, so don't look at the weight. So it's much closer, as you can see, to the Morgan silver dollar. If you have smaller coins, you can put them in here, and it does pretty much the same thing. But those are for the smaller coins. For the bigger coins, you want to do it right here. Okay, and that was 1 ounce. Now let's test the 5 ounces bars. Is this real? Let's find out. I mean, it seems legit, but you never know till you know. Okay, press metal, and then I guess we need to do pure. We just need to change the weight. Oh, the weight is right here. And how many ounces is this? 5, 10, 20, 50, and 100 ounces. So it doesn't have a kilo. So we'll do 5 ounces per center, and let's see what happens. We're gonna put it like this, right in the middle of it. Cool. It says diameter, thickness, 5 ounces on a dot, and it's on a green. That's good. I can move it around, and I could just press this. Round, rectangular. Oh wow, that's cool. Do I have to put it this way? Not really sure. It tells you things over here. So I guess it tells you that's in a green. I'm not really sure how this one works yet. But as you can see, it's quite advanced. It tells you that it's in a green how it's supposed to be for 5 ounces. This side here is also 5 ounces. You see, it's just much thicker. But it won't fit into the verifier. Okay, this time we're gonna put this bar over here because it just doesn't fit. But you see how it stays in the diameters. That's kind of nice. Not really sure what this is about. Okay, so it's kind of showing me a little bit off. It does say 5 ounces. Okay, let's start with the 10 ounces this time. Let's see what happens. Okay, we're gonna press this and do the 10 ounces. Okay, again, this will not fit. Actually, it will fit right here. That's kind of cool. And it tells you 10 ounces, thickness and diameter. Nice. Then you can press this, rectangular. I guess it's telling us it's in the green. I can move it around and it will give you different like readings. But what happens whenever you want to test the kilo? That's why you bring it out over here, this port bar kilo. So let's just press this head here. And it looks like it's reading pretty good. Let's move it around. Oh, you know what, the weight. We can adjust the weight. We have a kilo. I think this is in ounces only. Okay, there you go, metrics. So this is 100. Okay, that's nice. Okay. It says, I know the weight, 122. It's a little bit heavier, but it is a port bar. Let's pull it off. So I think that's what the weight is. The kilo. Let's test it. I guess you have to adjust that by itself. So there you go. But at least it's a little close to it. The weight, the verifier is right on green. So this is, I guess, the how heavy it is, and this is the green. So I guess depends. You can move it around. So that's for the bars. That's beautiful. Okay, and let's do the 10 ounces. Adjust it into units. I have this 10 ounces bar. It's pretty skinny, so it will fit in here. That's I have to adjust. Reading differ 10%. So I have to adjust this thing right here. But it works really well right here.